Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to repot ficus rumphii that propagated from a massive branch and technique of root pruning in bonsai cultivation. Before repotting, I am going to cut back overgrown branches to keep it compact and it will help to encourage branch ramification. Ficus rumphii is a beautiful plant that can be grown indoors or outdoors. This species is suitable for bonsai, so I am going to train it into a bonsai. Now it's time to remove the tree from its current pot. Tap the sides of the pot to loosen the soil and then carefully remove the tree from the pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. I am raking out the soil to loosen the root ball and to see the first root. If you see any brown and massy roots, gently remove them with a pair of scissors. Healthy roots should be white or light brown and should be filiform to the touch. Root pruning is an essential technique in bonsai cultivation that involves trimming the roots of the bonsai tree. The purpose of root pruning is to control the size of the plant's root system, which in turn affects the overall size and health of the bonsai tree. Root pruning is typically done during the repotting process, which is usually done every 2 to 3 years. The amount of root pruning necessary will depend on the species of bonsai tree and the size of the container and the stage of the growth. Usually no more than 1/3 of the root system should be removed at one time. It is also important to ensure that there are enough roots left to support the tree's foliage and to maintain the tree's health. Next, choose a right pot for your tree. A pot that is too large can lead to overwatering and root rot, which is not good for your tree. I am using sphagnum moss to cover the holes. Ficus rumphii prefers well-draining soil, so sure to mix some sand with regular potting soil. This will ensure that the water drains well and the roots don't sit in soggy soil. Place the ficus rumphii in the new pot, making sure to position it in the center of the pot. Gently pressing it down with your fingers. Now add soil around the sides of the tree. Use a soft stick or a similar tool to tamp down the soil. This will help to remove air pockets and ensure that the soil is firm and compact. Finally, water the plant thoroughly, making sure the soil is evenly moist. Watering the soil thoroughly can help to settle the soil and remove air pockets also. Wait for the soil to dry out a bit before watering it again. Don't forget to clean the pot after repotting. With proper care and maintenance, your ficus rumphii will thrive in its new pot. Thank you for watching and happy gardening. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Bye. Take care.